Hi, my name is Lito. Today we are talking about parent makeup machine by Microbeau Flux Mini. If you would like to know everything about this beautiful machine, please like and watch this video till the end. This machine is gold color. You can find on website of Microbeau company that you can get silver, amur, bubblegum and stealth color. Flux Mini machine is very slim in design and powerful in the performance. It's like a pen in your hand, very comfortable. And it's light, it's just 100 grams. If you compare with another machine, it's super light and it's not heavy for your hand. The benefits of this machine, it's a wireless machine. And when you are working with your client, it will be easier for you to move around the table and provide the procedure more precisely. The battery of this machine for 5 hours, and you can buy this machine with second battery if you are working all day. But between the procedure, you can use this cable and you can charge your battery. Stroke length of this machine can be 2.5 mm and 3 mm, and you can adjust the needles by clicking and turning the machine right and left side, and you can see how the needle is changing and you can adjust the needle for your procedures. Let me show for you how to adjust the needle. Now you can see the needle here, and when you just turning right and left, you can see right now we cannot see the needle, and the length depth right now it's less. Again we can just turn, and now you can see this is very good needle depth. This machine has LED indicators and you can adjust voltage of the machine from the 5 till 10, and you can just press here up and down. To start your procedure, just simple press the button here and you can see it start working. When you can see green color, the battery is 100%. When you can see it's red, you have to charge your battery. Usually we are working with this machine on the speed 5, 6 and 7. But sometimes if you would like to have 5.5 or 6.5, you can adjust it by putting up and down. And here you can see now it's solid green, and if you will go in half, that it will be like blinking color. Let me show for you. You see? And now you can see it's looking like 5.5. To start the machine, you can press the button here, and you can see right now we are on the 5. If you will press here, it will be up, it will be 5 and 5. Now we have green color, it means that we have speed 6. If we will press up, you see it will be 6.5. Now you can see we have 7. And the same idea, if we pressing down, we can adjust our speed. Let me show for you. We will start working with the 5. It's our pixel on the 5. If we will adjust right now till 5 and 5, This is pixels
5 and 5. Beautiful. Let's now adjust till 6. Now we have 6. And you can compare the sound as well and the pixels. Now let's adjust to 6.5. Now it's 6.5.
For this machine, you can buy any standard universal membrane cartridges, but I prefer to use needles Vertex, Pico and Nano. I really recommend this permanent makeup machine Flux Mini by Microbeau. If you would like to buy this machine, please find in the description the link and you will have 10% off. If you would like to learn the best permanent makeup techniques, please sign up on my online courses. You will find the link in the description to this video. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any question about permanent makeup Flux Mini, please comment below and I will be happy to answer. Please watch my another videos about permanent makeup procedures and like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.